Running a digital agency today isn't easy. Take my word for it. Clients expect you to deliver content, grow their presence, and generate results, and that too fast. Social media is essential for every brand, but it's also a beast. Content, calendars, captions, graphics, DMs, engagement every single day. What if your agency could offer full service social media management without hiring a single person? Welcome to Softtrix, your white label social media management team behind the curtain. Let's start with what exactly is white label social media management. Think of it like this. You are the brand, you are the strategist, you handle the client, we do everything else quietly and professionally. We create, manage, engage, schedule, and report. Your clients never know we exist. All they see is your agency delivering consistent quality content and measurable results. It's like having an in-house social team without the salaries, the HR, or any stress. So, what services do we offer? At Softtrix, we offer complete social media management tailored to your client's needs. Here's what's included: monthly strategy planning, custom graphic design, carousels, reels, and stories, engaging brand aligned captions, daily posting to Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube Shorts, hashtag optimization and tagging, comment and message management, boosted post strategy and optional ad setup, monthly analytics and performance reporting, story templates and branded themes, influencer outreach. Every post, every reply, every insight done under your agency's name. Who is this perfect for? Whether you are a solo freelancer who wants to offer social services, an SEO agency looking to add more value, a web design company that wants to bundle social media, a growing digital agency stuck on delivery bandwidth, we are your backend team. No minimums, no contracts, just consistent professional execution. Why agencies choose Softtrix? We know what agencies need because we've worked with hundreds. Fast, smooth onboarding, clear pricing with room for your profit margin, custom content calendar aligned with the client goals, Slack, WhatsApp, Trello, or email. We communicate your way. Dedicated team members assigned to each account. All reports branded with your logo. NDA backed confidentiality. Flexibility to pay, use, scale up, or swap clients anytime. Our job is to make you look good. Our proven process, our workflow is designed to give you complete control without doing the work. Step 1 is discovery and onboarding. We gather all brand details, past posts, goals, and voice guidelines. Step 2, strategy and content calendar. You receive a 30-day content plan complete with post date, visuals, and captions for approval. Step 3, execution. Once approved, we schedule, publish, and manage everything in real time. Step 4, engagement and optimization. Our team monitors DMs, replies to comments, and adapts strategy based on engagement data. Step 5 is reporting and feedback. You get a branded report with insights, metrics, and suggestions every month. Let's talk outcomes. One of our agency partners helped their client grow from 3,000 to 28,000 followers in just 6 months with zero ad spend. Another client reduced their churn rate by 40% because our reports made their agency look so professional. And for one e-commerce brand, our daily stories drove a 200% lift in clicks to their shop link in just 45 days. We just post, we plan for impact. Common problems we solve. Your in-house designer is overloaded. Your clients demand creative social posts, but your team is stretched. You miss deadlines or post inconsistently. Your reports are bland or not aligned with KPIs. You want to scale services without hiring. We solve all this affordably, reliably, and silently under your brand. Collaboration options. You stay in control. We adapt to your workflow. Want us to submit content every Friday for Monday approval? Done. Need urgent graphics for a product launch? We've got you. Prefer to give us full creative control? We are ready. We are flexible, proactive, and built to blend in with your agency's DNA. We offer simple, scalable pricing, content-only package, content plus engagement, full service management with paid boosting, monthly or quarterly plans, volume discounts for 5+ clients, custom packages available on request. Your profit margins are safe. Our rates are built to support resellers. Content samples and branding. We can even create a few demo posts before you sign. Want to show a client how their content could look? We'll mock it up. Want us to match a tone, color, plate, or theme? We adapt quickly. Every piece we create, graphics, reels, or carousel, carries your agency's branding and value. Let's talk support and trust. You're never alone. You'll have a dedicated success manager for smooth coordination. We provide weekly updates, monthly reports, and real-time communication options. 100% of our services are executed in-house. No freelancer, no outsourcing. We operate under strict NDAs. Your client remains yours. If you are ready to grow your agency without hiring, if you want to offer full-scale social media management under your brand, if you want your clients to be impressed while you stay focused on growth, then it's time to partner with Softtrix. Book a free discovery call today at www.softtrix.com. Let's build smarter. Let's deliver better. Let's grow together. Softtrix, your brand, our execution, their results. Thank you.